The Bahamas may have recorded its first COVID-19 related death, Health Minister Dr. Dwayne Sands advised today. A woman who was suspected of having the novel coronavirus died at the Princess Margaret Hospital last night, shortly after she was airlifted from Bimini to New Providence, the minister confirmed.
She was short of breath, and she had a travel history. So, without going into all of the details, certainly we can confirm that there was significant clinical suspicion of COVID.
So this could very well be our first death.
It could be.
Dr. Sands said the woman has been tested for COVID-19. However, he noted that those test results won't be available until later today or tomorrow.
When we do get the test results, we will advise the family and the public.
There were some issues getting the patient to New Providence yesterday. Asked if the delay could have contributed to the patient's death, Dr. Sands responded this way.
Every effort was made in order to get this patient to definitive intensive care. And those efforts were ultimately successful, but she arrested shortly after arrival in Nassau.
He said the government has been looking at ways to address patient transfers from those family islands that don't have intensive care facilities.
We have been working on this for many weeks now, and there were exigencies about this particular situation that we did not overcome for some 24 hours. As a matter of fact, I want to say thank you to the Royal Bahamas Defense Force, who ultimately would have scrambled vessels and aircraft to bring this patient ultimately to New Providence.
There have been no known COVID-19 deaths in the Bahamas. So far, there are 14 confirmed cases, 12 on New Providence and 2 on Grand Bahama of the virus locally. Nearly 300 people are in quarantine, according to the Ministry of Health.
Every person in the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, from the north to the south, from the east to the west, needs to be aware of the possibility of COVID. We have confirmed community transmission in the Bahamas. Everybody needs to pay attention. The surge has started in the Bahamas, and we would like to do everything that we can to minimize the number of people infected, the number of people hospitalized, and the number of people that die.
For the Guardian News Network, I'm Georgia Bain.